Mobile application fraud is serious business. In 2022, click fraud alone is expected to cost people and publishers $44 billion. Our mission at Appdome is to stop mobile fraud before it starts. No SDK, no code, no coding required. Appdome's no-code mobile fraud prevention gives mobile developers and publishers an easy way to stop mobile app fraud fast. Browse the anti-fraud section of the Appdome product. See all the protections needed to prevent mobile fraud, stop mobile malware, protect mobile games, and block mobile piracy before it starts. Appdome is the only solution that preempts mobile fraud by empowering mobile apps to stop fraud without an SDK or gateway. Appdome's in-app protections stop all forms of mobile app fraud, including clickbots, SneakerBots, and large-scale automated attacks like credential stuffing, malware, overlays and dynamic instrumentation tools like Magisk and Frida, mobile game cheat engines like Game Guardian, memory injection, and mobile app piracy and Trojans. Once you've selected the mobile fraud prevention features needed in your Android or iOS app, just click Build My App. Appdome. Preempt and prevent mobile app fraud today.